Welcome to Fresh Thinking School of Brain Science, the brain science of memory and forgetting. In the brain science of memory and forgetting, we embark on a captivating odyssey into the labyrinthine depth of the human mind, a universe as vast and intricate as the cosmos itself. Memory, the shimmering thread that weaves together the tapestry of our lives, becomes our compass, guiding us through the corridors of time. We plunge into the neural networks, those bustling metropolises of electrical impulses and chemical messengers, where memories are forged, stored, and resurrected. Like archaeologists unearthing forgotten relics, we delve into the intricate mechanisms that allows us to encode experiences, transforming fleeting moments into enduring imprints. We marvel at the brain's astonishing capacity to store a lifetime of memories, each a unique constellation of sights, sounds, smells, and emotions. We witness the intricate dance of neurons as they fire in unison, conjuring vivid recollections from the vast storehouse of our past. But memory is not without its shadows. The specter of forgetting lurks in the corners of our minds, erasing cherished memories and leaving behind enigmatic gaps. We explore the reasons behind this fading tapestry, from the mundane lapses in recalling names to the devastating effects of dementia. We uncover the delicate balance between remembering and forgetting, recognizing that both are essential for our mental well-being. The science of memory and forgetting is an invitation to embark on an intellectual adventure, a voyage of discovery into the uncharted territories of our minds. It is a testament to the enduring power of memory, a celebration of its ability to shape our identities, connect us to our past, and illuminating our future. We will explore the neural networks and chemical processes that orchestrate memory formation, examining the crucial roles of the hippocampus, amygdala, and prefrontal cortex. We will also explore the fascinating phenomenon of forgetting, from mundane lapses and recalling names to the devastating effects of amnesia. By understanding the science behind forgetting, we will gain insights into how to enhance memory retention and combat its decline. Through cutting-edge research, captivating case studies, practical applications, this chapter illuminates the profound impact that memory and forgetting have on our lives. Whether you are a student striving to improve academic performance, a professional seeking to sharpen cognitive skills, or simple curious about the inner workings of the human mind, the brain The science of memory and forgetting offers a captivating exploration of this fundamental aspect of our existence. The brain science of memory and forgetting delves into the intricate workings of our most complex organ, exploring how we remember, why we forget, and the implications for our lives. It reveals that memory is not a unified entity, but a collection of diverse systems, each with strengths and weaknesses. We delve into the different types of memory, from short-term working memory, which holds information briefly in our conscious awareness, like a phone number we just had, to long-term memory, where we store our knowledge, experiences, and skills over time. It explores how memories are formed by strengthening connections between neurons, a process known as synaptic plasticity. The book chapter also delves into the intriguing realm of forgetting. It explains how forgetting can be both a curse and a blessing, allowing us to clear our irrelevant information and focus on what is essential. It also discusses the various factors contributing to forgetfulness, such as aging, stress, and disease. The science of memory and forgetting offers a fascinating journey into the mysteries of the human mind through scientific research, real-life anecdotes, and practical advice. It provides a deeper understanding of how our memories shape who we are, why we forget, and how we can harness the power of memory to live more fulfilling lives. There are 7 strategies of the science of memory and forgetting: active recall and spaced repetition. Active recall and spaced repetition are potent learning techniques that leverage the brain's natural forgetting curve to enhance memory retention. Active recall involves retrieving information from memory without relying on external cues or resources. This effortful process strengthens neural pathways associated with information, making it more accessible in the long run. Spaced repetition complements active recall by strategically timing review sessions. Instead of cramming information, learners revisit the material at increasing intervals, gradually expanding the time between reviews. This approach combats the forgetting curve and reinforces learning by prompting retrieval when forgetting is about to occur. Learners can optimize their study efforts by combining active recall and spaced repetition to acquire lasting knowledge. To make information stick in your long-term memory, think of your brain as a muscle that needs regular exercise. Just like lifting weights strengthens your muscles. Actively recalling information through self-testing builds robust neural connections in your brain. This is known as active recall, a powerful tool for solidifying learning. Rather than passively rereading material, challenge yourself to retrieve information from memory. This could involve answering practice questions, creating flashcards, or summarizing key concepts without referring to your notes. But it is not just about repetition. Timing matters too. Spacing out your study sessions over time rather than cramming everything in a go allows your brain to consolidate information. This spaced repetition technique allows for deeper processing and strengthens the neural pathways associated with the material. By combining active recall with spaced repetition, you optimize the learning process. You strengthen your memory pathways and enhance your ability to retrieve information when needed, improving long-term retention. Elaboration and meaningful connections. Elaboration and meaningful connections are cognitive processes that enhance learning and understanding. Elaboration involves expanding upon new information by connecting it to existing knowledge, personal experiences, or related concepts. This process strengthens memory retention and deepens comprehension. Meaningful connections are the associations formed between different pieces of information, creating a knowledge network. These connections can be based on similarities, differences, cause and effect relationships, or other relevant links. By establishing meaningful connections, learners can integrate new information into their existing mental frameworks, facilitating retrieval and application of knowledge. Imagine your brain as a vast network of interconnected concepts, like a web of knowledge. When you encounter new information, don't just let it float aimlessly. Instead, actively connect it to the existing web. This process of weaving new information into your existing knowledge base is crucial for both understanding and memorization. By linking new concepts to familiar ideas, you create meaningful associations. This not only deepens your comprehension, but also makes the information more memorable. Think of it as building a mental bridge between the new and the known. For example, if you are learning about photosynthesis, connect it to your knowledge of plants and sunlight. This association makes the concept more concrete and more accessible to grasp. Moreover, creating meaningful associations taps into your brain's natural tendency to seek patterns and connections. When you link new information to existing knowledge, you create a story in your mind, making the information more engaging and more accessible to recall later. Therefore, don't just passively observe new information. Actively seek out connections, draw parallels, and create mental models. This approach will deepen your understanding and transform information from fleeting facts into lasting memories. Multisensory learning. Multisensory learning is an approach that engages multiple senses: visual, auditory, kinesthetic, tactile, during the learning process. It recognizes that individuals have different learning styles and preferences, and incorporating various sensory modalities enhances information processing and retention. This approach allows learners to connect with the material in multiple ways, making it more engaging and memorable. Learners create stronger neural connections by seeing, hearing, touching, and even experiencing information through movement, leading to deeper understanding and improved recall. Multisensory learning is particularly beneficial for individuals with diverse learning needs, providing multiple pathways for accessing and processing information. Think of your brain as a multimedia recording studio where memories are written down and captured in vivid detail through multiple channels. Engaging multiple senses while learning, seeing, hearing, and even physically interacting with the material enhances this recording process, making your memories richer and more durable. Visual learners benefit from seeing information presented in charts, diagrams, or images, while auditory learners thrive on hearing lectures, discussions, or audio recordings. Kinesthetic learners better grasp concepts when physically manipulating objects or participating in hands-on activities. Combining these different learning modes creates a multi-sensory experience that taps into the brain's natural ability to process information through various channels. This multi-sensory approach strengthens memory traces by creating multiple pathways for encoding and retrieval. For example, if you are learning a new language, seeing the written word, hearing its pronunciation, and practicing it yourself creates a stronger memory than simple reading it alone. This redundant encoding ensures that if one pathway to the memory is weakened or forgotten, others remain accessible. Incorporating multisensory elements into your learning routine can significantly enhance your ability to retain information and make learning more enjoyable. So, whether you are a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner, don't hesitate to engage all your senses to maximize your learning potential. Sleep and consolidation. Sleep and consolidation are intrinsically linked processes, crucial for memory formation. Consolidation refers to establishing and strengthening memories, transforming them from fragile, short-term traces into enduring long-term storage. Sleep, particularly its deeper stages like slow wave and rapid eye movement, sleep plays a pivotal role in this consolidation process. During sleep, the brain reactivates neural patterns associated with recent experiences, reinforcing connections and integrating new information into existing knowledge networks. This enhances memory retention and facilitates the extraction of meaning and insights from learned material. Adequate sleep, therefore, is essential for optimal cognitive function, learning, and memory consolidation. In the realm of memory, sleep is not merely a period of rest, but a critical phase of consolidation where the brain diligently works to transform fleeting short-term memories into enduring long-term ones. Imagine your brain as a bustling library where information is constantly acquired throughout the day. During sleep, the librarian takes over, meticulously organizing and shelving these new acquisitions, ensuring they are readily accessible for future reference. Think of your brain as a bustling construction site during the day, actively gathering information and experiences. At night, when you sleep, the construction crew shifts gear. Instead of building new structures, they focus on reinforcing and solidifying the foundation of what was built during the day. This nighttime shift is known as memory consolidation, the crucial process of converting short-term memories into long-term storage. Adequate sleep is essential for this process to occur effectively. During sleep, your brain replays the day's events, strengthening the neural connections associated with important information and weakening those associated with less relevant details. This pruning and strengthening process helps to solidify memories, making them more accessible and resistant to fading over time. In contrast, sleep deprivation hinders memory consolidation. Without sufficient sleep, your brain struggles to organize and store memories efficiently, leading to forgetfulness and difficulty in recalling information later. It is like trying to build a house without letting the cement dry. The structure becomes unstable and prone to collapse. Therefore, prioritizing adequate sleep is not just about feeling rested and refreshed. It is about giving your brain the time it needs to solidify your memories and ensures that your experiences become lasting parts of your life story. Mindfulness and attention. Mindfulness and attention are interconnected cognitive skills that enhance our awareness and focus. Mindfulness involves intentionally paying attention to the present moment without judgment and cultivating a non-reactive awareness of thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations. It encourages us to anchor ourselves in the here and now, fostering a deeper understanding of our inner experiences. Attention, conversely, is the ability to focus on specific stimuli while filtering out distractions selectively. It allows us to direct our mental resources towards relevant information, enhancing learning, memory, and decision making. Practicing mindfulness can strengthen our attentional skills, improve concentration, reduce stress, and provide greater clarity and purpose. Imagine your brain as a spotlight illuminating the details of your experience. When you pay focus attention to the present moment, you narrow the beam of that spotlight, intensifying its brightness and clarity. This focused attention enhances encoding, capturing information in your memory. Think of distractions as competing spotlights vying for your brain's attention. Each distraction weakens the intensity of your main spotlight, making it harder to fully capture and remember the details of your experience. By minimizing distractions, you eliminate those competing spotlights, allowing your main beam to shine brightly on the information you want to remember. Mindfulness, intentionally focusing on the present moment without judgment. It's a powerful tool for cultivating focused attention. By training your mind to be present, you can better tune out distractions and fully engage with the task. This mindful engagement not only enhances encoding but also reduces forgetfulness. When you are fully present, you are more likely to notice and appreciate the details of your experience, making it more memorable. In contrast, when your attention is scattered, information slips through the cracks, leading to forgetfulness. By cultivating focused attention and minimizing distractions, you empower your brain to capture and retain information more effectively. This mindful approach to learning and living enhances memory and enriches your overall experience of the world. Healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle encompasses a holistic approach to well-being, prioritizes choices that nurture the body and mind. It involves regular physical activity to maintain fitness and strength, a balanced diet rich in nutrients and low processed foods to fuel the body, adequate sleep to promote rest and recovery, and effective stress management techniques to safeguard mental health. A healthy lifestyle also includes abstaining from harmful substances like tobacco and excessive alcohol, fostering positive social connections, and engaging in activities that bring joy and fulfillment. By embracing these practices, individuals can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, enhance cognitive function, and enjoy a higher quality of life. Think of your brain as a high-performance engine. It needs the right fuel, regular maintenance, and protection from overheating to keep it running smoothly and efficiently. A healthy diet provides the premium fuel your brain craves. Nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats deliver the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourish brain cells and protect them from damage. They also support the production of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers responsible for communication between brain cells. Regular exercise is like taking your brain for a tune-up. It increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients while flushing out waste products. Exercise also stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein essential for growth and survival of neurons. This promotes neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and form new connections, which is crucial for learning and memory. Stress, on the other hand, is like overheating your engine. Chronic stress can damage brain cells, impair memory, and even shrink the hippocampus, a critical brain region in memory formation. Stress management techniques like meditation, yoga, and time in nature can help reduce stress levels and protect your brain from harmful effects. By prioritizing a healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress management, you are investing in your brain's long-term health and performance. This holistic approach optimizes brain function and memory performance and promotes well-being, and resilience. Memory devices. Mnemonic devices are memory tools that help us encode, store, and retrieve information more effectively. They create associations between new information and familiar concepts, making the new information more accessible to remember. These associations can take many forms, such as acronyms, rhythms, songs, images, or stories. By leveraging our brain's natural tendency to seek patterns and connections, mnemonic devices provide a structured way to organize information and create memorable cues for recall. They are handy for memorizing lists, complex concepts, or information that lacks inherent meaning or structure. Think of memory aids as handy tools in your mental toolbox designed to help you organize and access information more efficiently. These tools leverage your brain's natural ability to connect and associate information, making it easier to remember complex details. Acronyms, for example, are like shortcuts to longer phrases or lists. By condensing the information into a single word, you create a memorable hook for retrieval. Think of Roy G. Biv to remember the colors of the rainbow, or PEMDAS for the order of mathematical operations. Rhythms and songs use rhythm and melody to embed information in your memory. The catchy tunes and repetitive patterns make the information more engaging and accessible to recall. This is why children learn their ABCs through songs or catchy jingles that stick in our heads long after we hear them. Visual imagery involves creating mental pictures to represent information. This technique taps into your brain's powerful visual processing capabilities. For example, to remember a shopping list, imagine each item in a specific location within a familiar room. When you need to recall the list, mentally walk through the room and see the items you placed there. By incorporating these memory aids into your learning routine, you create a multifaceted approach to encoding and retrieval. You organize information in a way that makes sense to you and leverage different cognitive processes to strengthen your memory. As we conclude our journey into the intricate world of memory and forgetting, it becomes evident that the human brain is an astonishing marvel. It is a complex network of neurons, chemicals, and electrical signals working tirelessly to create the tapestry of our lives. Memory is the thread that weaves together Our experiences shapes our identity and guides our future. Through the lens of science, we have explored the mechanisms behind memory formation, storage, and retrieval. We have delved into the fascinating forgetting phenomenon, uncovering its causes, consequences, and potential benefits. We have learned that memory is not a static entity, but a dynamic process constantly evolving and adapting to new information. Our knowledge about the brain and memory has profound implications for our lives. It empowers us to enhance our cognitive abilities, preserve our precious memories, and cope with the challenges of forgetfulness. By understanding the science behind memory and forgetting, we can make informed choices about our lifestyles, learning strategies, and healthcare. As we bid farewell to this exploration, let us take time with us a newfound appreciation for the human brain's extraordinary capabilities. Let us cherish the memories that enrich our lives while acknowledging the importance of forgetting in shaping our present and future. And let us continue to seek knowledge and understanding about this remarkable organ, for it holds the key to unlocking the full potential of our minds. With its intricate workings and boundless mysteries, the brain remains a frontier of scientific exploration. The more we learn about it, the more we realize how much more there is to discover. The journey into the science of memory and forgetting is a lifelong endeavor, and the insights we gain will undoubtedly continue to transform our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. This is Dr. Masasekani Misha Kosa, Director of the Fresh Thinking School of Brain Science. Thank you for visiting around. Great news. When you subscribe, we give you the very best, latest, fresh content for you at no cost to you. You have an opportunity. Grab it. It is yours for life. For life. Thank you. Thank you.